Ini kertas dipakai buat voting, habis itu dibuang. Pemborosan. Makin banyak kertas dipakai, makin banyak pohon ditebang. Nggak kreatif. Kalian semua punya ini kan? Kenapa nggak voting pakai ini? Sambil boker juga bisa voting. Makanya orang ini bikin e-voting berbasis Android. Yaudah, kita mulai aja tutorialnya. The first thing you need to do to use our application is open the application from the Android menu. There you can find the e-voting icon, then click it. After you open our application, you gonna meet this welcome page. The next step is click the next button here. And then you gonna see 3 menus there. The first menu is Daftar or Register. It's used for registering our name and our student identity before we can to vote for the election. And the next menu is Contreng or Vote. This menu used for voting the candidate of the election. And the last menu is Hasil or Result. This menu function is to show the result of the election. And we can start with the first menu, Daftar. After you click the Daftar menu, you will find these two text fields. The first is for your name and the next is for your student identity number. So fill the name text field with your name. We're gonna use square T here. Square T. Then fill your student identity number text field with your student identity number. We will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, hit the simpan button here to save your name and your student identity number. If your registration successful, you will see the data tersimpan ke server here. And then, you can click the kembali button. After you register your name and your student identity number, now you can do the voting for the election. And to do the voting, you need to choose the Contreng menus here. After you choose the Contreng menu, you can see this candidate picture like this. Then what you need to do is click one of the candidate picture to do vote. To do the voting, you need to fill the text field here with your student identity number that you already registered before. And we can fill it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then hit the vote button to do the voting. If you success to do the voting, you will meet this success page. Then click the kembali button. There you gonna meet the 3 menus that we already met before. The first trouble is when you use your student identity number that you already used to vote before. Let's take a sample using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 student identity number that we used to vote before. And hit the vote button here. There you gonna see Anda sudah pernah melakukan pemilu. The second trouble is when you use the student identity number that you're not registered before. Let's take a sample using 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4 student identity number that we are not registered before. Hit the vote button here. There you gonna see silahkan melakukan pendaftaran NIM terlebih dahulu, pilih menu. Then you need to hit the Daftar button here to do register for your student identity number. And the last menu is Hasil. There you gonna see the Ketua, Wakil, and Hasil. Hasil here is indicate how many people that vote for this candidate.